you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Hey, I got new subs.
You got what you talking about?
I got nightshades in there now.
Oh man, what?
It was ZV6.
I thought you had ZV6 there first, right?
I see I'm hey, in that rig though. About my XO. For my niggas whole life. She got the best though for me. First for free, no sir. Right now. First for me. To me, oh not. When it come to fashion, I'm 18 wine from Pristine. Cream I mix mine with a point and pen and pinch. Oh, touchdown in the trenches. Texting my phone about bitches. He say my intuition. Thank God these windows tinted. For members in attendance. I'm like he cold Benny Beck.
Hold that lighter though, hey.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.